Hello friends, in this short and basic video I'm gonna to show you how to write greater than or equal to in Microsoft Word. So there are some method. First one using equation. So insert and equation, now slash and type LE and press space bar. This is the less than, and here you can type greater than. Once you open and using this method, so insert equation slash and GE and space bar. So greater than, G for greater and E equal to slash GE Q space bar. And another method, type 2265. Now press Alt plus X. So using this shortcut you can type greater than 2265 Alt plus X. So this is the shortcut 2265 Alt plus X. And another method, insert and symbol, more symbols. And here guys, find out this normal text, and here you have to need to select this mathematical operators. So here you will see this both less than or greater than. Select and insert. If you not find here, so type this 2265 as character code. So these three methods you can use to type greater than in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.